All right, for this assignment for the deadly defense passage, I'm going to give you directions real quick of the expectations of what you're going to do and how to analyze each question, similar to how you're going to do it on Online STAR. So as you go to slide 3, you have 4 paragraphs over the first page of deadly defense. The speaker button at the top right-hand corner is me recording the article out loud for you to read along to it, or you may read it on your own. But it is super important for you to at least read it, because what's the point of answering the questions if you don't read it? So this will be slide 3 and 4 will be your article. So both slides have the speaker button at the top right-hand corner for you to listen to the passage. After you've listened to both of them, should take you about 4 to 5 minutes to read it. You will go to slide 5, question 1. What you're going to see is on the left-hand side, there are directions in a blue box and in a purple box. Then on the slide, you're going to see the question. Then you're going to see hints that are in blue. And then you're going to see the answer choices in the middle. In the bottom right-hand corner, you will see a dictionary circled where you can use this to look up your dictionary words that you're unfamiliar with, either from the question or from the answer choices. How you do each question is you're going to highlight important words in yellow in the question. You'll be able to do this on Online STAR as well. So when you read question 1, the ideas in this passage are mainly organized by considering the. You need to think to yourself, what is this question expecting me to answer? What does it want me to think about and look for in the passage? So what I would do is highlight the ideas and go up to the highlighting tool and do it in yellow. Don't do it any other color because STAR only lets you do it in yellow. Now, what is it trying to say about the ideas? They are mainly organized. So it's asking you how the ideas in this passage are organized. Then you'll read the clues in blue. Think about how the author wrote this article, and think about what order did they present the information. Each writer, including yourself, has to organize the essay or the article or the text you're writing in some sort of order for the reader to understand and comprehend what you're trying to convey or say to each other. So you might have to go back and reread and kind of decide, like, well, how is the information presented? Now, as you go to A, B, C, and D, you're going to use something I call PO, which is the process of elimination. PO is use your PO to show what you know. So I want you to think of that. So you want to use X's and question marks to show your thinking. X is for what will you eliminate, which are the worst answers. What we tend to do is want to pick the best answer without looking at all the answers. So we look for what is not right first. So as you do this, okay, and this is not in any order of what the correct answer is or is not on question 1. The X at the bottom on the left-hand side, you can drag the X. You might eliminate A, B, C, or D. You should use at least 2 X's. So say that you eliminate B and D. Then I want you to put question marks next to the ones you are maybe unsure about and trying to narrow it down. Now maybe you decide that C is a worse answer than A. I want you to keep that question mark still there, because I want you to see what 2 answer choices did you determine are the better answer choices, but there's one best one. Okay, you need to see that thinking. And then you're going to take the circle and you're going to circle what you think the best answer is. Do you think it's an A? If not, maybe you think C is the best answer. So once you do each set of questions in this order and using your PO, you're going to go to question 1, do the same thing with question 2, question 3, question 4, and then when you get to slide 9, read the directions, and you're going to take these answers from this answer sheet and put it on the answer sheet quiz that is posted in your reading course. That'll calculate what you got right and what you got wrong for you to retake it again. That's why it's super important that you show your PO. So when you need to go back and double check your work, you know what your thinking was, and maybe you need to change your thinking. So as you're doing this, try your best. Use these techniques and strategies that are helpful for STAR or any sort of test from now all the way to high school and also through adulthood.